So I just picked some herbs from the garden. I have some flowering um, oregano. Um, there's thyme, sage, and a bunch of basil. And then I'm going to take some garlic. All of this is going to get minced up real well. And then we're going to blend it with some salt and then add in some lemon zest as well. And then dry it out in the oven. And then I'll have some herbed salt for the year. Garlic, all my herbs. Here it is. See some of that lemon rind in there. It smells so good. I can smell the sage and the basil. A little bit of the thyme, oregano. It's gonna be a nice combo. That would be really nice on fish too.